This is the necta vending solutions super automatic coffee machine. Does do cappuccinos, mocha, cafe mocha, French vanilla, hot chocolate, cafe latte, just regular coffee with milk, black coffee, and then decaf coffee. It utilizes fresh beans, has a grinder, so it grinds it fresh for you. But then it also utilizes chocolate powder, French vanilla powder, hot chocolate powder, and then for the milks, it does use the powders also. So you don't need refill milk. It's 110 volt, so plug in any normal outlet. Coffee beans in here. This is an Italian machine, Calibri. This is the manufacturer. Vending Solutions, I believe, are the ones who distribute it. Okay, I will go ahead and push black coffee. Drinking process. Just grinding the beans. And what it does is gives you a shot of espresso, and then it adds the water to it. And that's how they kind of do it in Europe to get you a normal cup of coffee. It's about the size of it. It does do, as you know, when you get espresso, you get that creme on top. It does produce that. It does do a smaller cup of coffee, but there's a way of reprogramming it, which if you look on my eBay listing, you'll see how to reprogram it to do more water. Because I guess this is for like dinner size drinks. I guess in Europe they don't drink the big 16 ounce, 18 ounce, 20 ounce coffees that we're used to here. Let me go ahead and dump that. The only powder I have in there now is the chocolate. So this is hot chocolate. In this instance, it's working as like a whipper, like the kind of machines you'll see in the convenience stores where it adds the powder to the hot water. This system will require a water line. So there you go. You got hot chocolate there. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So like we saw, beans go in there. You also you fill in here. You put in where do you list it from? You put your vanilla powder in there, and your Irish cream powder in there. Go ahead and open that up. Now for decaf, you have to use an instant. You put the powder in there. That's where you put the chocolate powder. As you can see, it's in great shape inside. It's clean. It's not a very complicated machine like some of those other super automatics are. Your Irish cream goes in there, and your French vanilla goes in there, and then it mixes through. And with the hot water, there's a whipper for these types, and puts it in there. For your cream, where you push the button that says coffee with milk, it would mix the cream with it. And I'll have these full, like I said. Make sure it locks up. And it goes through a recycle process. So you put your beans in there. This would be great for an office. You'll have a gourmet style coffee because it does do the grinds inside. Freshly grinded beans. Machine's in good shape. There's a chip here if you can see it, and the drip tray. I did have to replace the lock when I did receive it. The key was missing. Otherwise, it's in good shape. It just has a few scratches. The label here's peeling. I'll probably fix that up. Just wanted to get that listed. I want to list it cheap. It's Christmas time, and I need to get some cash coming in. One more cup of coffee with milk. It's not going to add the milk, but it's going to add a little more. It's going to add just plain water, hot water, because I don't have the cream powder inside of it. Grinds the bean. That's basically an espresso coming out there. There's the extra water to make it a cup of coffee and not an espresso. And then the milk. One other thing I did not show you, and it says take the drink, is this comes out, and there you have the discards, the dregs, the coffee. You know how those, see how it does the solid, it compresses it, makes an espresso. So it's a good machine. These things sell for, I saw them listed for $4,000, you know, from the retailer. Machine is used, good working order. Couple dings here and there, a few scratches, but works great as you can see. Go ahead and make an offer.